Heat pumps, a popular heating solution, provide an energy-efficient alternative to furnaces and air conditioners. By leveraging the ambient heat in the environment, they deliver warmth during cool months and cool air during the hot ones. This versatility and energy efficiency have led to their increased popularity in recent years. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Just like any other piece of tech, heat pumps have their downsides too. However, as with any technology, heat pumps come with their own set of drawbacks. The first disadvantage to consider is the high upfront costs. Heat pumps, while an energy-efficient option, come with a hefty price tag. This includes not just the cost of the unit itself, but also the installation. Professional installation is essential to ensure the heat pump operates as efficiently as possible. This can set you back quite a bit, making the initial investment significant. Our next stop on this journey of understanding the drawbacks of heat pumps takes us to extremely cold climates. Here, heat pumps may not be as effective. In these conditions, heat pumps struggle to extract heat from the air. In other words, when the mercury dips below freezing, the efficiency of a heat pump can take a hit. This can leave you with a system that's working overtime, yet not providing the warmth you need. Now, let's shine a light on another potential pitfall: the potential for increased electricity usage. Yes, you heard it right. Heat pumps can sometimes lead to higher electricity bills. While they're more energy efficient than traditional heating systems, they rely on electricity to operate. During peak times in the winter months, your electricity usage can surge, leading to higher bills. Next on our list is maintenance requirements. Heat pumps require regular maintenance to ensure efficient operation. This means regular checkups and professional servicing. Neglecting these can lead to decreased efficiency and potential breakdowns. It's a bit like owning a car. You wouldn't skip oil changes or ignore a strange sound coming from the engine, would you? The same principle applies to heat pumps. Finally, we must address the elephant in the room: environmental concerns. Heat pumps use refrigerants, which can contribute to global warming if not properly managed. While most modern heat pumps use environmentally friendly refrigerants, they still require careful handling and disposal to prevent leaks that could harm the environment. It's a double-edged sword. While heat pumps can reduce your carbon footprint by using less energy, the refrigerants they use can be harmful if not managed correctly. These are just a few of the potential disadvantages associated with heat pumps. As with any significant investment, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons and consider your specific circumstances before making a decision. In summary, while heat pumps offer energy-efficient heating and cooling, they do come with a set of potential disadvantages. Let's take a moment to revisit these potential pitfalls. Firstly, there's the matter of the high upfront costs. Investing in a heat pump can be a significant initial expense, which may not be feasible for everyone's budget. Secondly, their effectiveness can be compromised in extremely cold climates, where they struggle to draw heat from the environment. Then we have the potential for increased electricity usage. While they're generally energy efficient, heat pumps can lead to higher electricity consumption, especially if not properly maintained. Speaking of maintenance, heat pumps do require regular upkeep to keep them running smoothly. Lastly, we must consider the environmental concerns. The refrigerants used in heat pumps can contribute to global warming if not properly managed. Keep these factors in mind when considering a heat pump for your home. Remember, the best heating solution will depend on your specific needs and circumstances.